guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Scan and QR code there. Winner 25 rand. Welcome to FANS Wethu TV. It's the CAF Champions League. Mamelodi Sundowns 2, Hilal 2. I'm joined by Mr. Sober Analysis.
Stivo.
Yeah.
Unjan boy. Sharp man. This game for me, it was not anticipated.
Sure.
But I believe Mamelodi Sundowns today, they played better football.
Yeah.
They were owning the position.
Yeah.
But it's just that luck was not on their side. Luck didn't flock with Mamelodi Sundowns today. And then another thing, Steve, I want to say, players to Mamelodi Sundowns, they're filling a teacup with a straw. You know, you're given a chance, but what you portray in the field, to be honest, is BS. I don't wanna
sugarcoat.
Yeah, I don't wanna sugarcoat, and I don't wanna finish some words because I will ruin my interview.
Yeah.
But Wethu, another thing I will dwell on today. As a coach, you have a winning formula.
Yeah.
And then in your winning formula, obviously, is a tactical formula.
Yeah.
You need to fit in variables.
Yeah.
That helps you to solve X. Or your quadratic formula, you need to fit in variables that gives you an A and B.
Yeah.
But today, the winning formula of Cardoso didn't work for him.
True.
Yeah, because of the variables that he fit into his winning formula was wrong. Or maybe I would say it was a negative than a positive.
Yeah.
Yeah, today Cardoso, and I was telling someone, I know you saw me, I go Karagoba, and I was telling someone that, no, you see that beautiful goal.
Sure.
Sundowns have been crying and the fans have been pushing the players to get a leading goal. You know, I told him that Cardoso now is going to defend.
Yeah.
And the best way of defending in a game like that one, put in more attackers, my brother. Press the team so that they don't press you back. They're afraid, they say that this guy got in fresh legs up front. That means the moment we press him and they win the ball at the back, they're going to press us and score another goal that leads 3-1 and we are terrorized. But you know what he did? Like for like, it's wrong.
Yeah.
You take in Tato Sevilla, a player that wanted to prove himself, a player that is hungry, a player that was happy on Monday to say that, oh, I've won a man of the match. Out of the senior players that he played in, I'm talking even Kadi player Rajaja Obid. I told you on Monday that he was the youngest player in the field.
Yeah.
And that was his keeper, the first game, but he played better than everyone. He was voted the man of the match. That means he's hungry. Today he's playing with Ali Hilal. The mentality might be, no, Ali Hilal kya Saudi mara. It's not Ali Hilal ya Saudi, but I want to prove myself that to say that Coach Hugo Bruce, Lenagi available, and under 20 coach, I'm also available as Tato Sevilla, but he failed to prove himself because the coach soaring a Nidia Umunchat and Bazadin. When last did you see Bazadin play? How do you give him a game time to come and defend you, to come and help you get more points?
But the boy was tired.
The boy was tired. But Stivo, how do you manage a game? Bring a middle fielder like that boy from Stellenbosch, which Lynch's Cup now? Adams. That boy was about trap and pass. I get touch my bas, Chiefs. If you bring such a player in the field, you're winning 2-1. You're gonna win 2-1 or 3-1 because you want to play about trap and pass. Trap and pass. That's how you manage the game. And how to like for like a defender like Basadino Mozare Baba. I'll jump center line. We're now feeling that's how I'm gonna win the game. But today, I don't have a man of the match, unfortunately, from Sundowns. But the ball position was good. They were displaying a good football, created more chances, but we couldn't win the game. I think maybe a coach who understands that Sundowns is the national team for us should come and coach Sundowns and lead Bafana that we have, because Team A Bafana, we can never ever shy away from there. Sundowns, then Pirates, Chiefs, Sundowns is the Team A Bafana. My man of the match in number 7, Al Hilal. He played very well, but Steve, he saw ring akasi fit go puliso muda wantswara. Are ka re da man wa mbitha ka di run ene ke re ke mmetha ka di step over wa hana ke ntsha di cross ke kata in afa a player what a good pass ke yona ba call is teng ka yona ba sa di nina le ka na robetse on that side ne. That's why go botsa ke re when you bring a player e tlo dala full back o win 2-1 ha jambi center line ka go o phela ka mo halfong ya ha. So that's why Barijile today. I was a Mamelodi Sundowns fan. I'm a Pagania, but I was a Mamelodi Sundowns fan. Steve, tell it one thing. Ne? Man of the match, get that boy, but that goal, yeah, we call it as a Sundowns today. It was a true offside. Thank you. I don't want to lie. Thank you very much.